What up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Toxic Rides. Today, I'm going to show you the correct way to put your Cadillac Crest around your door lock hole or your keyhole or whatever hole you want to put it in, but I'm going to show you the right way to do it. So stay tuned. Real quick video, Toxic Rides, like and subscribe, and we're finna do this real quick. So follow me along on this journey. All right, so what I use is 3 strips of 3M double-sided tape. Just put them on there as long as it covers all of the back, which all of that's connected, and you'll see that once I start cutting the tape off. And then you just want to take your razor blade, fresh razor blade, and go ahead and start trimming those. So I'm going to start trimming those and show you what it's going to look like. All right, I hope you can see this, but with these, when you cut them, the best way I found out is that you need to do this at an angle so that less of the tape will be showing on the inside. And it's easy to just kind of, if you can see this, I'm not working it hard. You just kind of slide it through. And as long as you got a fresh razor blade, it will cut it. See, so you see how that came out right there? Just cut it on the inside. And you can lay it down and cut it, but I'm just trying to show you guys on the camera how to do this. But the tape gives away pretty easily as long as you have a fresh razor blade. So if you look at that right there, it's coming off. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this one, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after you get done with that. All right, so after about a minute or two, getting that, see that all that tape is cut off, trimmed almost perfect. And the one thing you want is you don't want to see the gray from the tape on the outside when you're looking directly at the gold, because that's what's holding on. That'll make it look kind of tacky. I do use the 3M tape. Some other people do it a different way, but I figured that the 3M tape is a little bit better. I mean, I've had these things stick on for years with this same double-sided 3M tape. So now I'm going to show you what you got to do to prep the car, to get the car ready to put these on, and then we're going to stick it on. So let's go outside. All right, so this is where the Crest is going to sit. So the Crest is going to sit right here, and we want to make sure that that fits perfect. So the first thing that you have to do is decontaminate the paint, and what I use is a good car wash soap with a little degreaser. We're just going to go ahead and just clean that up real good, like that. And what I'm gonna do is keep it wet and use a little piece of clay bar, because that's gonna really help decontaminate the paint. So we know that it's going right here. So what we're gonna do is just clean that real good. And keep rubbing it until it's smooth, get all that decontamination off of the paint right here. You don't have to do it for a long time, but I'm just making sure that it's good. And we're gonna rinse it down with soap again. And once you can feel how smooth it is right there. Now we're gonna get the hose and rinse it off, dry it. All right, so we can go ahead and rinse that off. Make sure you get all the soap off. See how the water is just sheeting right off of that paint right there. And no, I'm not going to show y'all the car yet, so don't even think about it. All right, so let's go ahead and dry that off. All right, I got my microfiber cloth. Just go ahead and wipe that water off. Good. All right, now I'm going to take our little gold Crest. We're going to go ahead and start peeling off the back of the tape. sometimes you might need to use a little razor blade or something to get that started. I'm trying to do this with my glasses off, and it ain't. There you go. Okay, so you see how easy that comes off right there. Gotta get this little piece started right here. All right, so now we got that done. The back is gonna look like pretty clean. Now all you wanna do is put yourself in a position to line this directly up straight. What you wanna do is go here, get it eye level and as straight as you can get it, and then just press it on. Once you do that, it's not going nowhere. All right, so now if you look there, perfect fitment of the Crest. Real easy to do. You don't need to pay nobody to do that. You can do that yourself. Just make sure you always have a fresh razor blade when you do it. Now that's how you put your gold Crest on. So if you like what I'm doing, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, share it if you can. And we got a whole bunch of how-to videos coming up while I put together this car. So stay tuned, hit the bell. When it come out, go ahead and watch it and check it out. We'll see you on the next episode, TOXXIC Rides. Yes, sir.